It's a certified 2017 Mercedes-Benz S-Class. High style, high performance, Mercedes-Benz. It boasts an impressive list of features, like these: Command integrated navigation system with voice activation, front heated leather bucket seats, refrigerated box located in the console, hands-free access, hands-free liftgate, twin-turbo V8 engine, automatic with driver control suspension management, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, dual-zone climate control, Airmatic height-adjustable automatic with driver control suspension, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and automatic transmission. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,